Welcome to another video where we will be solving the sum of the first 100 odd numbers. To solve this question, we can solve using three different methods. First of all, we can do the manual addition of the first 100 odd numbers, starting with 1, then adding 3, adding 5, adding 7 until the 100th odd number, which is 199. I believe that will be very tedious, so I will not dwell much on this. The other method is we can use the formula s equals to n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d, where s is the sum of the sequence, n is the number of terms in the sequence, a is the first term, and d is the common difference between the terms. So here a will be 1, which is the first term. N is the number of terms. We are adding 100 odd numbers. D is the common difference. Between 1 and 3 we have got 2. Between 3 and 5 we have got 2. Between 5 and 7 we have got 2. So the common difference between the odd numbers is D. Now that we have the values of A, N and D, we can substitute in. S equals to 100 divided by 2 into bracket 2 times 1 plus 100 minus 1 multiplied by 2. We shall have 50, which is 100 divided by 2 into bracket 2 plus, this is 99 times 2, which is 198. This gives us 50 multiplied by 200, and that gives us 10,000. So the second method can take around 2 minutes, but there is one final method which can take around 3 seconds. We can recognize that the sum of the first n odd numbers is equal to n squared. Using the formula, we can calculate the sum of the first 100 odd numbers as follows. Now sum will be n squared, in this case n will be 100. 100 squared is equivalent to 10,000, which gives us the same answer. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math content.